Are you guys ready to see your fighters for tonight's fight?
Bájale, güey.
We're going to bring up our fighters here, do a quick weigh, and then we'll get you guys on there.
You want to fix it?
Over there in the booth. We're gonna be there in like 10 minutes.
Alright. What booth?
Yeah, it's called.
Gotta wait closer. I arrived. They're busy, so I gotta wait.
Swanson, Chad George, Brian Warren, Gabe Rudiger, James Wilkes, and Jack May. Make sure you go get your autographs over there. They're going to be signing for probably the next few minutes. Also, do not forget the fights are starting. Doors open at 5, fights start at 6. So come check us out. We do still have tickets available. You're looking at $30, $40, and $60 tickets. So the cheapest that we have ever gone before. So make sure you pick up your tickets and yeah, enjoy your guys' show.